Hello everyone and welcome to Cadmus World. It feels so good to be back, and I acknowledge I haven't been around for a long time. And in this video I'm going to be telling you two main reasons why I haven't been around. And if you are new to my channel and you are yet to subscribe, click on that subscribe button, give this video a like, share this video on all your social media platforms because I know you're going to find this video useful. And to all my returning subscribers out there, you guys are the best. Let's get into the video. So the first reason why I haven't been around was the fact I had to get a new property, and getting a new property can be time consuming, demanding, stressful. You all know the story, I don't want to go into that. I love this property because it's so beautiful. It is a masterpiece. All windows are soundproof. It has high ceiling, and to all videographers and photographers out there, you know what I'm talking about. One favorite part I love about this property is the fact that the living room and the kitchen are open plan, so it gives me lots of space to shoot my video in one scene. Before we talk of this property, because I could go on and on, although I've making a lot of videos, I still felt it was high time I take it from another angle. Not this angle, but from another point of view, because I felt there was something missing. I felt I could do more and I wasn't yet satisfied. In this video, I'm going to tell you what the new Cadmus World is going to be about. Cadmus World will no longer be about the 4 F's of life, which are faith, fun, fashion, and food. Cadmus World and the rebranding of my channel is going to be about food, tech, and lifestyle. FTL. That sounds good, right? Yeah! If you're in the same situation as I was, when I take a time to reflect so you could see if that's going to make a difference, it's about you and the right vibe you show. So thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. I see you in my next video. Bye. The first reason why I haven't been around was the fact that I had to get a new property, and getting a new property